Hi, next I want to talk about for loop. So for loop is you know how many times you're repeating. Usually there's a counter that change accordingly, and then you also report that counter too sometime. So the example is for loop. If I let a is integer and a from 1 to 5, 1, step 1, so it's 4 by 1 each time, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And each time message box 1, I like this class, 2, I like this class, 3, I like this class, and 4, I like this class, and 5, I like this class. And then up to 5, then plus 1, then it's 6, and when a is 6, then it then satisfy the condition, it end the loop. And the message box, so I said is 6 minus 1 is 5 times. This is how the for next loop is being used. So look at the Excel. For loop, again, it's exactly the same. To run it, let's see what is CC is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exactly what you expect in the slide. So the next thing we want to do, go back to slides. Another similar loop is called for each loop. It's very similar to for loop, but we have each here. What we're doing is you loop over the cells. That's very important because Excel is a range is a collection of different cells, right? So we loop over each element in the cell, so for each thing in the cell. So how we do? Define X as a range, and for each X, the range is set X. Our formula, the cell formula equal to 1, XX. So let's see the Excel spreadsheet here. So I don't have anything. Let's remove everything here. There's nothing. So A1, A2, A3, C, nothing. So I run this code. Okay, go back to this. Everything's 1. Okay, so this is how can do the Excel for loop. And then next is positive numbers. Okay, so let's see how we're doing do it. So here I have a function that only calculates sum of positive values. What we do, we have an initial value with 0, and I said X as a range, and for each X in the cell, so cells is the input. Okay, the input is a bunch of cells, basically all the cells. I calculate all the values, all the value in the cells in the range. Then whenever it's positive, then add them up. Okay, here I have bigger than 0 or equal to 0 doesn't matter because S0 means nothing. So that's why it's bigger than 0. And then I sum up all positive values, and then that's the function. Let's go to the Excel spreadsheet and see how it's being done. So let's see the positive number. So this is exactly what we have here. Okay, exactly same as the thing you see in the slides. Okay, so let's see the sum positive. Here sum positive for the cell here. So only add up 1, 4, minus 2, minus 3 is not added. It's 1 plus 5. So I change negative, then become 1. So that means that this only positive number get added in the cell, and then this is how for each loop is being done. So in the slide is same as what we have seen. Okay, so this is how each loop example. Thank you.